We love you. We love you. How many people are proud to be citizens of this beautiful country of ours? The women and men who have broke their necks for the freedom of speech, the United States government has sworn stripes and the stars for the rights that men have died for to protect. I never would have dreamed in a million years I'd see so many motherfucking people who feel like me, who share the same views and the same exact beliefs. It's like a fucking army marching. So many lives I touched, so much anger aimed in no particular direction. Just sprays and sprays and straight through your rated waves. It plays and plays. So the taste stuck in your head for days and days. Who would have thought standing in this mirror with some peroxide, reaching for a t-shirt to wear, that I would catapult to the floor rap like this? How could I predict my words would have an impact back like this? I must have struck a chord with somebody up in the office, cause Congress keeps telling me, saying I'm in trouble with the government. I'm loving this shit on my life, and now I'm jumping in them just like this. Girl, loves my shit, I go to TRL. Look how many huts, look at these eyes, baby blue, baby, just like yourself. If they were brown, Shady lose, Shady sits on this shelf. But Shady's cute, Shady new, Shady's tip, give me the mic, make ladies smooth, baby. Ooh, baby. Look at myself, let's do the math. If I was black, I would've sold half to graduate from Lincoln High School and all that. But I can rap, so fuck school, give me the mic, show me where the fucking studio. When I was underground, no one gave up I was white. We share the same views and the same exact beliefs. I never would've dreamed till I met Dre. The only one who looked past, gave me a chance, and I lit a fire up under his ass. Helped him get back to the top. Every fan that I got, probably his in exchange for every white fan that he's got. Like damn, we just swapped, sitting back looking at shit, wow. And is it starting to work to my benefit now? I could be one of your kids, just like this. Girl loves my shit, I go to TRL. Look how many hugs I get. I could be one of your kids, just like this. Girl loves my shit, I go to TRL. I'm loving it, I shoveled shit on my life until I met Dre, the only one who looked past. Look at myself, ooh, baby. Shady lose, Shady. Shady, see the problem is I speak as suburban kids who otherwise would've never knew these words exist. Mom probably would've never gave you words of piss till I created motherfucking turds. Straight out the tube, right into your living rooms I came when they knew I was produced by Dre. So many motherfucking people rap like this, and they were instantly hooked right in. And they connected with me too because I look like them. That's why they put my lyrics up under this microscope. Searching with a fine tooth, it's like this rope, waiting to choke. So many lives I touched, so much anger aimed in no particular direction. Just sprays and sprays and straight through your race. I could be one of your kids. I'm just playing, America. You know I love you.